Alright friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out these Proscredy donut puck lights. So this is a little 2-pack here. It comes with a remote, a little USB charger. It has 2 micro USB ends on it, so you can charge both of these at the same time, so that's pretty handy. And then it has these puck lights right here. One's already come on for us, that's pretty sweet. All right, so you're wondering why they're coming on. They do have this little button here on the side. It's quite sensitive to the touch, and you touch that. It has 3 different settings there, or 3 different color variations, basically. And if you hold it down, you can make it brighter, and just keep holding it. It'll get dimmer, 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 dimmer. So pretty dim. And then if you want to touch it, it turns off, and it has the 3 different colors there. So there's the different yellow, more yellow and more white light there. Okay, and then touch it again, it goes off. The remote obviously does the same thing. You can set the timer on there for 60 minutes, 15 or 30, and it has the different light and on and off, and then plus and minus is obviously going to adjust that. These also come with these 2 magnets here. So these you can just have some sticky. These aren't the magnets, I'm sorry, a little piece of metal. If you have some sticky tape on one side, you peel that off and the magnet will go right on there. So wherever you wanted to put this, that's going to be able to hold it up. You can put it in underneath your cabinet. Super easy, just peel this off, stick it up underneath there. You can put it in a closet or something. Maybe you have a dark closet, there's no light in there. Super handy to have these puck lights right there. Just tap it. They charge in about 1 to 6 hours to full charge, and they run for about 16 hours. With the light. So anyways, let's go do a couple little demonstrations of like where you can put these. You can put them on a magnet. Great little thing to have around, I mean on a refrigerator or whatever. Nice thing to have around when the power goes out or something like that, you know, by the bedside, so you can just reach over and touch it just in case or whatever. So let's figure out a couple places we can show you guys how to put these. All right friends, I can just take off the back here, and then we just stick it up underneath our cabinet here, and then this can just go right up on there, and you can see that it makes a nice little glow under the cabinet. So I turn off my lights and check that out. It makes a really nice, really good lighting there. I mean, it looks really elegant there, I think. So also we can just take our little remote here if we want to change it. And let me turn the light off again so we can see under the cabinet here. I can turn it off and then turn it on, turn it, that's as bright as it gets. And then I can make it dimmer if I want to, and then change the colors also, whichever color I want. So, and then you can also make it like fading in and out too, and set your timer. Really handy, really pretty nice here. Also, I put one over here on my refrigerator here also. Boom, I can turn that on if I'm making coffee or something in the morning and I don't want to turn on the main lights or the power's out or whatever. Anywhere where you can stick your magnet, anything metal you can stick it onto, and also like in a closet or something like that. If you put that, if you put the sticker in there with your metal piece on there, it's going to be able to stick anywhere too. Well, so here I have it in my closet. As you can see, it puts out a decent amount of light. This isn't the best phone for showing little darker areas, but I can definitely see in my closet things that are in there. So I have them just mounted up under there, underneath the cabinet there, and I can switch the colors and change out a different light there as well. Remote works really nice. I'm glad that I don't have to point it right at them for it to work. It is kind of line of sight, but it doesn't have to be like exactly. It works pretty responsively. So anyways, thanks for watching this video, my friends. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.